What You Get REDNEE Professional All-in-One Fast Dry Dip Powder Kit contains 12 vibrant color powders, 10 grams, 0.34 ounces each jar. Dipping system Step 1 to 4 Base coat, activator, top coat, brush saver, 10 milliliters, 0.34 fluid ounces each bottle. 1x cuticle trimmer, cuticle pusher, nail file, nail buffer, dust brush. Stay fashionable all year round. After market research, we collected 12 popular colors in this dip powder nail kit. There are not only dazzling shimmer, glitter colors, unique lake blue, green, but also gorgeous party colors so that you can remain fashionable and eye-catching all the time. No need curing. User-friendly. This Mermaid series nail dip powder kit can be cured without UV LED light, which can prevent your skin from hurting by the light. Package contains detailed instruction which can let you to DIY your nails as you wish. A bit of practice goes a long way. You'll master a dipping powder technique that's right for you. More faster than regular powder. The biggest difference between REDNEE newly upgraded quick dry dipping powder and regular dipping powder is that the former dries twice as fast as the latter, which can air dry within 30s without being hardened by activator. High quality, long lasting. This dip powder starter kit has been improved many times, with healthy ingredients, high coloration, easy to use. The powder is extra fine, much shinier, and more long lasting than other regular dip powder. It can keep a gorgeous and shiny finish for over 21 days with proper application. Top reviews from the United States. Easy and gorgeous. First time using powder dip at home. This was so easy and results are so fabulous. Comes with everything you need, file, buffer, and cuticle trimmer in addition to the powder kit.